Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. This name Seleko, who is Muslim Seleko's daughter, has shocked many people after she posted a video of herself holding what seems to be like an alcoholic beverage on her TikTok, and that has surprised and disgusted many people because Usne Ukhulelwe, and yet it looks like she had been drinking alcohol before she opened that bottle of champagne. You guys, Snee was dragged on TikTok to fall for drinking while she has umtwana in her belly. So without wasting your time, please check out this video and tell me what you think down in the comment section below, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next one. Bye.
You do like this. You do like this. You do like this. You do like this, guys. Yeah. He's shampoo. He's shampoo. Siati say.